Excuse me?
You're so polite. Excuse me? I said, may I hit?
I've just set my eyes on a rare species of crackhead bird. He's now lying dormant. Oh God, there he is. Oh God! The bird has gone mad. Oh God! I believe the bird has ran out of crack and he is now very upset. Oh dear God! Oh dear God! He is now trying to attack. This type of bird is upset very easily when he runs out of his drug. He is now searching for crack on the carpet. Hey, turn on the light. Turn on the main light. Oh dear God. Oh dear God. This bird is very upset. It seems like as if it has been weeks since his last fix. He can smell the crack in the air, but he doesn't know where it is. Little does he know, the bag is in my pocket. There he sits, perched on my computer. God only knows what he will do. Look out! Hell no, he's not. Did you open the door?
Yeah.
Yeah, he probably flew out. The chicken has flown the coop.